Here's some feedback on the second video. I think it wasn't very clear what I meant with the side by side up front. Literally just take that shot from the camera and just plop it on the top half. Something like this. Like the size doesn't need to be too big. Like look at this example here.
All of these questions are designed to trick you. First question, what is Paul McCartney's middle name? Paul.
So there's plenty of space down here in this white area. You could definitely add some photos.
Middle name. Paul Thumb. Jack got it right first.
It's stacking bread.
What's further north?
So I started speaking before the question popped up. Let's make sure that that doesn't happen.
What's further north? West Virginia or East Virginia?
West Virginia.
So he says west, and he says Virginia. West is the answer. You have it titled Virginia. We need to find a better way to have what each person said be more clear. Like the colors are good. That's a good start. But when both people talk, we need to have a way for each of their answers to be seen instead of just one. So you could, I don't know. Maybe move the answers from the bottom of the screen. You can, so leave the question on the screen the whole time, and then it would make more sense since the question is here for you to put what they say, their captions, over here under each of them. But again, this wouldn't be side by side. It would just be this normal shot here.
Virginia.
Jack got it right. Next question, is the Washington Monument in North Dakota or South Dakota? Is a yes or no question.
No. Oh, he got it. Jerry got it right.
Next question, what's more volume? 2 pints or 1 quart?
Same.
Right, got it right. 1 quart.
Same.
All of this space here, I didn't realize how much it pushes them up. Like all of this space is unneeded. So I would say we can cut it out to the bottom of the money stack just because his head is so high. The head is just super high, and it's going to get cut off when it's posted.
Right, got it right. Last question for the 5. Which way do lines of latitude measure?
Horizontal. Vertical.
They measure
Horizontal.
All of these questions are...
I guess that would be all my feedback is, yeah, so the camera up here, let's just leave it as the normal raw shot, that, no cuts in the middle. And then when someone talks and it's just them talking, like the other person didn't talk at the same time, you can zoom into a shot like this. But when you zoom in on a shot like this, just to help keep the heads lower, we can cut off a little bit more of the table. We can leave this question on screen the whole time for the entire time that it's being answered. That way, the captions from the people talking, it would make more. That way, when the question's there, it makes more sense for these captions not to be in the middle and instead be near these people, so that it's easier for the viewer to see. Because there's a lot there. I'm doing that because there's a lot of times where they're both talking, and it doesn't make sense to only have one question or one response on the screen when they both talk. And then the question thing, I think it would look better if it was, and let me find a video here. what I'm gonna say with these question things is having all this could be represented visually. Like we won't need to actually write it out to tell them. Since there's 5 questions, you can just have a graphic where there's 5 items and then light up the one that we're on. And I'm trying to pull it up to show you. But it's, my Wi-Fi is slow. So here's a
Not counting repeats, how many?
Here's a poor example of it from 1 to 100. So there is a trivia question for each one of these bills here. And instead of me saying $1 question, $2 question, or instead of that being on the screen like this is, there's just a small graphic up top and you can tell which one we're currently on. And then as it goes through, it changes. So when the $5 questions, that one's lit up and the other ones are kind of see-through. That way viewers can keep track of where we are. I don't understand how my Wi-Fi is this slow. So here's another example. Okay, this is another poor example, but so this video is trivia questions from preschool to elementary school to middle school. So instead of me having to say every time elementary school question or middle school question, like instead of me having to say the level every time, it's just on screen and people can see what it goes to. Like they know what the finale is. How are none of my videos downloaded? Here's another example. It goes from 1 to 5, but the 5 is just a dollar sign. This is just unreal. So yeah, similar thing. You can easily tell where we are. He got that question right. He got that question wrong. Like I don't have to say that. I don't have to caption that. But a viewer can just naturally tell. You can tell what question you're on, what's coming up. So doing that would help eliminate all of this right here. Let me know if you have any questions. Yeah. I tried to explain everything, but I probably did a bad job, so just let me know.